We now know who will be France's next president. Emmanuel Macron easily defeated Marine Le Pen yesterday. Tonight from Paris, senior foreign affairs correspondent Greg Palcott tells us what comes next.
A changing of the guard and more in France. Outgoing President Francois Hollande with President-elect Emmanuel Macron at a World War II commemoration in Paris. At 39, Macron is the youngest French leader since Napoleon Bonaparte. He has never held elected office.
It's unprecedented and unheard of, so we are in a new political era with a new political landscape which is shaping up.
Macron's performance at his victory celebration last night was quite professional, culminating a campaign that saw the former investment banker create his own party and a reform platform. He won with some 66% of the vote in the runoff election. His far-right rival Marine Le Pen got 34%.
I will do everything in the 5 years to come, so there is no more reason to vote for the extremes anymore.
Populist Le Pen did receive some 10.5 million votes, twice as much as her last presidential result. Her nationalist message played well in parts of the country hit hard by a stagnant economy and insecurity. While analysts say her tough talk contributed to her loss, she went down swinging.
I call for all the patriots to join us in participating in the decisive political fight that is starting tonight.
Still, 1/3 of an unsettled French electorate voted for no one. This after rejecting the major parties in the first round. There were mixed reactions today about the Macron victory.
Do you think he'll do a good job?
I hope so.
Il est jeune, on va gagner.
He's young, and he will win.
Yes.
Oh, pas bien du tout.
No good. Why?
No good.
Why?
Oh, it's
Pourquoi?
horrible.
Riots in a Paris neighborhood last night underscored the challenges Macron faces as he forms a government, fields candidates for legislative elections, and tries to get his reforms through. Outside of France, there was relief. Macron's pro-EU and pro-NATO stances reassuring a concerned international community. At upcoming summits, Macron gets to meet another outsider-turned-leader, President Trump.
President Trump has tweeted that he looks forward to working with French President-elect Macron. Transitions are pretty fast here. The inauguration is set for next Sunday. Then the fun really begins. Brett.
Palcott live in Paris early Tuesday morning. Greg, thank you.